Hi everyone, welcome back to Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. This is day 4. So exciting. I can't wait to open this gift. My name is Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance, and I'm so glad you're here joining me for this experience. So we are going to open this one up and see what's inside. I said yesterday that I thought it was a pattern just because there feels like there's something paper in there. It also might be fabric. I hope so because I am ready for a project. I don't know about you, but I am. So let's open this up and see what it is. And it is sealed, see? Try to save the, I don't know why I try to save the stickers, but I do. Oh, I ripped it a little. That's okay. Yay! Yay! Oh my goodness. Okay, let me get it out. Oh my goodness. Okay. It's fabric. Look at this fabric. Oh my goodness. It is so cute. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It is Missouri Star Quilt Company fabric. It is called Welcome Home, and they're all doors. And then there's this pattern. Oh my goodness, look at this. There's a pattern for it. How cute is this? And then each of the houses, it looks like, has one of the door panels. Oh my goodness. All right, I am definitely gonna make this, and I can't wait to play with this. And I want to see, does it say anything about something coming up? It doesn't. Last time it did, the pattern. Oh my goodness, I definitely will make this. I will definitely show you my progress. I can't promise it'll be completely done, but you know I like to try to get it completely done. It makes a 39 by 39 inch wall hanging, it looks like, on the back. How cute! Oh my goodness, I love this. Love it, love it, love it. This is adorable. Finally some fabric, yay! Yay for fabric. Oh, I love it, it's so fun. Oh, love it. Such a great gift. All right, before we guess for day 5, I have it right here, but I'm not gonna show you. I will give you a warning before I guess. Let's just talk about yesterday's items. So we got those cute little trinket bowls, or not trinket bowls, I'm sorry. I called them trinket bowls because I was searching for them and that's what kept coming up. They are measuring bowls. They're really cute. They're stoneware pottery. They're just like the mugs that we get. It's that same material. I had a really hard time finding ones that kind of matched. I found things that were $30 and I found things that were $10. This was really tricky, but I'm gonna price them at $18 just because I'm not quite sure. So hopefully we'll find out eventually, or if somebody knows for sure how much they are, I'm gonna do 18. That's what I'm sticking with. I can change it, but I'd love to hear what you think. Yeah, I'd love to see what you think about that. All right. So exciting. Okay, I'm gonna just interrupt the video for a moment. I was editing this video, and as you know, or maybe you don't know, I usually record the day before, sometimes 2 days before, but usually the day before. And I was looking at the comments for, let's see, yesterday's video, which is today, and people were saying that there was a recipe card in the box with the measuring bowl thingies. So I dug it out, and sure enough, slid in there is a recipe for gingerbread cookies. I don't feel so bad because Jenny didn't even include it in her description either when she was doing her own unboxing. So I guess I just missed it. I'm going to be very careful to check the boxes from now on. Sorry about that. All right, let's get back to the video. Now's the time that I'm going to guess day 5. Okay, I'm gonna guess. Warning, warning, warning. All right, here it is. It's another one of those so cute boxes. This one says quilts on it. Miracle in Quilt Town is on the back. It's the theater. It's so cute. All right, here we go. Can you hear that? There's something in here, obviously. I don't know what it is. I have no idea what this is. I know somebody in the comments said that they have a village or something. I have to go online and look. So maybe it's a piece to a village that goes with these little boxes. I don't know what it is. Well, we will find out tomorrow. All right, so now the running total, just so you can have an idea of where we're at. I'm gonna look at my notes because if I don't, I will mess it up. So day 1, 2, and 3, the total is $53. And since I paid $190.75 for this box, that means that we have $137.75 to go until we break even for the value. I don't think that's bad, considering we're only on day 3. Well, day 4, I haven't added this stuff in yet, but day 3 is included in that amount. That's not bad. That's not bad, my goodness. That's a really great value at this point. I can't wait to see. I don't know what I'll put these at, but I'm going to do my research and check. I just love this. This is so cute, and I can't wait to make this. I will see you back here tomorrow for day 5, and we'll see what's in that container. I'm not going to show you because I don't want to spoil it for other people. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew. I'll see you real soon. Bye.